Moto G Power 2022 version is now available in the United States. Specs and price. The Moto G Power, Motorola's newest smartphone, has been released, 2022. The smartphone is a follow-up to the Moto G Power, 2021, that was launched earlier January. The smartphone is equipped with a triple back camera configuration and is powered by the MediaTek Helio G37 SoC. What you need to know about the Moto G Power 2022 edition is right here. Moto G Power 2022, Specifications. The Moto G Power 2022 packs a 6.5-inch HD+, 720x1,600 pixels, IPS TFT LCD display with support for 90 Hz refresh rate, 20:9 aspect ratio, and a 269p pixel density. The handset runs on Android 11 and is powered by the MediaTek Helio G37 chipset along with 4GB of RAM. It comes with 64GB internal storage which can be further expanded using a microSD card, up to 512GB. The Moto G Power 2022 has a triple camera arrangement on the back, including a 50MP camera. A 2MP macro sensor and a 2MP depth lens are among the other cameras on the gadget. The smartphone supports rear camera features such as hyperlapse, dual capture, and more. For selfies, the Moto G Power packs an 8MP front-facing camera. The smartphone is backed by a 5,000 mAh battery with 10 watts charging support. The device gets a rear fingerprint sensor and supports face unlock as well. Connectivity options on the smartphone include Bluetooth V5, Wi-Fi 802.11 acres, GPS, a GPS, USB Type-C port, and more. The Moto G Power 2022 comes with IP52 certification for improved dust and water resistance. Pricing: the Moto G Power 2022 will be available at $199 and $249 in the US. The smartphone is confirmed to be available in a single black color option. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel.